Hey, what's going on, guys? Michael Brooksma back at you with some more online payday system training to help you start making money, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Empower Network blog set up, how to focus on getting your Empower Network blog set up. And there's just a few things that you need to focus on, and then you can start blogging, then you can start sharing your posts, guys, and start making money faster than ever with this online payday system, with the Empower Network blogging system. Because, guys, this is where it's at. I've made over 75% of my total income from my blog. And you might be a little weary of blogging. You might be, you know, you might think you don't know how to do it. You might think you don't know how to blog. You might think you're not good enough. But guys, those are just self-limiting beliefs. You can do anything, and I can tell you, once you get your first blog post done, once you get your second blog post done, once you get your third blog post done, it just keeps getting easier and easier. Then you can blog faster and faster. And I'm going to share exactly all the training more below this video. But right now, I just want to help you get your blog set up. And if for some reason, guys, you did not complete step 3, you can just skip this step, because I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Empower Network blog set up. So I'm just going to share my screen real quick, and guys, just come over to empowernetwork.com, right? And then or you can just go to empowernetwork.com/login, and then you're going to be to a screen quite like this, right? And then you just are going to click login and start blogging. So this is usually Dave has a message here and all that stuff. So if you want to stop by and check it out, I watched it a few times now. But guys, this is the back office of the Empower Network blogging system, and if you go here and just click view and edit my blog, this will bring you right to your blog here. Now you can totally customize this blog any way you want. And to do that, really, only thing I really recommend doing is upload an image. And all you have to do is click edit, upload image, right? And then you can browse from any image you want on your computer. It's just as simple as, uploading an image from like Facebook or all the other stuff, but really what I wanted to point out was what a lot of people miss is there's this little box up here to the left. If you click on this, right, this is like how you are going to customize the blog what you want. Now you can pick and choose any way you want. Guys, this blog is yours. You can customize it exactly the way that you want to customize it. So, you can pick colors, your button colors, link colors. You can do all that stuff back here. There's the navigation bar here, which is the navigation bar is this. This is the navigation bar, right? So I kept all these uh, all the tabs that Empower Network um, has for us. You can take all these off. You can add some. The only thing I did was add a link back to my website, modernizedmoney.com. And if you want to do that also, it's so simple. You just come up here to the navigation bar. Just put in the title that you want to show up in the navigation bar here, right? And then just um, just enter in the URL where you want to. Guys, you can even put in, OPDS, and, link it to your online payday system, which would be mine. And then all I have to do is hit save changes, and you see down here would be OPDS, and that's going to bring them right to my online capture page. But I'm not really worried about that right now. So, I would have to take out one or the other, but I like it the way it is. There, like I said, you can even check what ones you want up here. You can turn on blog search bar. You can turn off Empower Network branding. So if you want this your own personal blog, I think you could turn off the Empower Network branding here, which would be, I'm not really even 100% sure what that does, but heck, I like Empower Network branding. So, and then we have our SEO options like the meta tag. This is the text that would be entered in the HTML meta tag on your plug in your blog post, guys. This is for SEO purposes. Like if you have like a core theme for your Empower Network blog, just come up here and do that. Like I'm trying to, go after the how to make money online. Like when people type in how to make money online, once I get my blog all set up and have quite a few blog posts in here, and my blogs, getting found on the search engines and the search results, this is typically the keyword that I would like this blog to show up on, is how to make money online. So you can pick whatever you want. You know, I know a lot of you have your own businesses already out there. If you want to brand your business, if you want to brand yourself, no matter what it is, and then just write a little description here, and your meta tag keywords. And if you have Google Analytics, it's free. I think you just go to like Google Analytics, search Google Analytics, and it is free. Then you can track where your traffic's coming from, what they're doing when they're on your blog, so then you can focus more on what's working than rather what's not working. And then the footer data down here, these are all the links in in the footer here where it says, terms and conditions, refund policy, privacy policy, earnings disclosure, support desk. I like to keep them all the same, like whatever Empower Network's got. You got your page customization here. You can manage your blog static page, whatever page you would want to show up when they come to your domain name, like the actual Empower Network. Your Empower Network would be your username.empowernetwork.com. That's how you can get people to your Empower Network blog. But if you want a custom domain, guys, you can get a domain up on the top where I show you how to get a domain for your online payday system capture page. Sorry, that just wouldn't come out for some reason. But once you find a domain that you want for your Empower Network blog, so instead of your username.empowernetwork.com, you can say like Mike's blog, or whatever you want it to be. There's instructions here, and just add your domain here, whatever you want it to be. And you got your theme picker. You can actually come in here and pick the theme that you want. You can customize your blog any way you want. This is the Empower theme. You can have just like a totally different theme. You can preview all these themes and stuff like that. But really, that's all that there is about setting up the Empower Network blog. It's simple. Anyone can use it. And if you have not yet seen all these fast start training videos, guys, do that right now. After you got your blog set up, guys, just click here and watch all these videos. This is going to give you some more ideas, some information to help get you on the fast track to blogging. It'll give you ideas to blog about. It'll show you how to blog. All that, guys, is right here. And then once you are ready to start blogging, I mean, it's really simple. View and edit your profile. Here you can change the information and all that stuff. And you can view your activity feed back here. This is, all the My Empower Network team members here that's been blogging, it just goes on and on and on because you guys rock. But technically, if you just want to start a blog, like this old-fashioned pen here, you can enter a blog text in here. You can enter a audio right here. You can enter an image right here. You can enter a video right here. But it's real simple if you just want to do a typical blog post. What I recommend is entering your message title, right? So before you start blogging, guys, I have some awesome um, keyword research video that I want to show you because this is what I learned first thing off when I started blogging, and I think this is really going to help you just blow the doors off blogging because when you find keywords, right? Keywords are what people are typing in the search engines for Google or any of the search engines out there, right? So if you write a blog that you do keyword research on that people are actually physically searching for, that there's not a lot of competition, like make money online. Like I would not even go after those big keywords because you're never going to get ranked because people spend thousands upon thousands of dollars to get their blog posts ranked on the first page of Google. They probably have like 500, 600 posts in their blog is active, it's up. If you're a brand new member, watch the keyword video below, and also watch my search engine optimization video because once you enter in your keywords, you need to search engine optimize your blog post. And what that means is we just need to design our blog that the search engines are going to find it and the search engines are going to love what we have. But just hey, I'm just gonna give you a few, rundown, like a quick blog post to show you what you can do. Let's say my first blog post. So that's the title here, and I'm gonna show you how to SEO optimize your post. But you can pick, the headings here. I like to. Well, you're gonna learn all this stuff in my SEO um, video below. So you can just start, and you can highlight it here. You can change the fonts whatever way you want. You can change the size any way you want. You can change the styles any way you want. You can bold it. You can italicize it, you can underline it, you can, slash it out. So say if, see, today only, and if you don't want that, you just highlight it and click that. And we are so if you write this and then you get a team member and stuff like that, what I like to do is just cross it out and then and then once people see that's kind of like a not like a scarcity tactic, but it gets them more motivated. And then another thing that I've been doing, showing a lot of people, right, say like if we want to post our link to our capture page, you can actually just physically type in the link, or you can just type click here, right? And then when you do that, you can just type that in, and then up here there's a little link, right? And then the URL is going to be and then you can click this to open it in a new window and hit OK. Now see, now this is linked. So when people click on this after you post your blog and they click on that link, it's automatically going to go to your whatever link you have. So instead of, you know, just pasting links all over the place, it's better to just tell your people, say, click here for more information. So that's going to make them more curious to click and see what is on the other side of the page. This is how to get more clicks, this is how to get more interaction and all that stuff with your blog. You know, you can even, if you want to center it, or you know, you want to put one, you know, number it, if you want to put those dots in front of it, if you just want to center it, you know, you can put it in, you can change colors, you can even, you know, like highlight it, and even like here you can add pictures like from whatever you want. So I have all these pictures here, and I like to say, you know, get started now, add media. So instead of always, you know, just saying click here and all that stuff, you guys can just, you know, add like a get started now. And I think you can even highlight it like that, and then you can click link here, and then you can send that, and I always like to open on a new page, so then this will keep your visitors on your blog longer, and then just hit OK. So then when people click on that, it's going to automatically, you know, they're going to get started right away, and then they're going to go right to your online payday system capture page, or wherever you want it to be. So that's just a cool thing here. You can upload, you know, add an audio. You can simply, you know, add an image here. You can add a video, and it's all right here. It's all simple. It's all easy to use, and basically that's just the Empower Network blog, and how easy it is to use and get set up and start blogging, so you can start making money with the online payday system. So then the next video I'm going to show you how to share your blog and all that stuff. But first, I know it's difficult. Facebook will not allow you to share it on Facebook. But when you blog, let me just go to, let's say my blog. Here, right? And you can click 2 legs, 1 leg, more like that. But if you there was a badass button that will help you share it on Facebook, but if you do not have it, I think if you go to, see, socialmediabar.com, and then you could just take your Empower Network, take that, and then say go viral. And then here, it's going to be your destination URL, and then you can even, shorten it up whatever you want it to be. Say this is live in Washington D.C. or something like that, and your page title, whatever you want it to be, and your URL image. You can choose any images you want. If you just go to a Google search and type whatever you want, let's say Empower Network, right? And you just hit search, and then you come to images here, and then just say we want this image here. And what we want to do is we want to click view image here, and then this is the URLs. Whatever this is, we just want to make sure it has JPG at the end of the image, or whatever the other P P PC, like whatever the other code for images is. If you just, paste that in here, and then just click get viral link, this is what it's going to be. And then you're going to have a link here, copy, or you can just share it right on Facebook. I'm not logged into Facebook, but let me log in. And then you can just share it in groups that I'll show you how to do in a minute or two in the video below. But as you can see, I'm already a member of 288 groups, and promote your business every day. So what I would do, is just paste that link, and then bam, see how the image comes up. You have your the image comes up and all that other information that you have, and then you can just hit post. So that's how you can share your information on Facebook by getting around the Facebook thing, just because Facebook blocked us about a year and a half ago because the Empower Network grew so fast, and they didn't think it was real. They didn't think, they didn't think this was a real legit opportunity. And guys, it is, and I think they were just jealous, so they just banned the Empower Network links. But if you just head over to socialmediabar.com, and that's gonna, get your stuff posted on Facebook and stuff like that. So guys, that's how to set up your Empower Network blog, and how to blog, and how to share your blog and stuff like that. But continue down in this training, guys. I'm going to show you how to share it on social media, how to find groups, how to find targeted people, and all that stuff. So guys, make sure you continue on with this training. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.